Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to use Dola AI for writing in 2026, step by step, so you can create content faster and more efficiently. First, log into your Dola AI account from your browser or desktop app. Once you're inside the dashboard, open the main chat or assistant interface. This is where you'll interact with Dola AI for writing tasks. To get started, type a clear prompt explaining what you want to write. For example, you can ask it to draft a blog post, create social media captions, write an email, or even generate product descriptions. The more specific your instructions are, the better the output will be. Try including details like tone, length, and target audience. After you submit your prompt, Dola AI will generate a response. Read through the draft carefully. You can refine the content by asking the AI to make changes, such as shortening the text, making it more professional, or adding more detail. Treat it like a writing assistant. You can keep improving the result through follow-up prompts. If Dola AI offers formatting tools, use them to organize headings, bullet points, or sections. This makes your content clearer and easier to publish. Once you're satisfied with the final version, copy the text and paste it into your document, website, or email platform. Always review and edit before publishing to ensure accuracy and quality. And yeah, that's it. Using Dola AI for writing in 2026 is all about giving clear instructions and refining the results. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials.